Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can gain a cybersecurity fundamental degree without using any single penny. So this course is free completely, but if you want a certificate, then you have to pay. You have to pay some amount, but that is very negligible. Uh, it's not that much, but the good thing is that even if you don't need the certificate, you can do this course and you can understand all the cybersecurity fundamentals freely. Yes, I'm telling you, it's free completely, and it's a 8 weeks course, and every week it is expecting, I mean, from this course you can expect 10 to 12 hours of we per hour of work. So that means you have to study like 10 to 12 hours for continuous 8 weeks, and after 8 weeks, that means after 2 months, you will be expert based on the cybersecurity fundamentals. This course is completely fundamental. It's not like advanced topic is covered. So here it is mentioned very clean way. Learn cybersecurity fundamentals. Here it is mentioning everything, that this course is completely cybersecurity fundamentals, and it has what is included, including how to detect threat, protect systems and networks, and anticipate potential cyber attacks. Right? It is clearly mentioned, and you can learn these 3 or 4 things completely. And this is not like live training, or I mean like downloaded some course or like offline course. It's a live training, right? Each instructor pays. That means one instructor will lead this course and you will learn with the instructor. And definitely it has option, then you can ask question so that you can understand it more clearly if you have any question, right? And the good thing is that it's free. Options upgrade available. We are not talking about upgrade. I told you already that if you want the certificate, then you can actually pay for this course and then you can get the certificate. But without the certificate, it's completely free and forever, right? And when it is started, it is started from January 12 to 2025, and it ends March 12 2025. That means next year January 12 to March 12, for 2 months, right? And here if you check carefully, you will see that this many students already enrolled. After a course session ends, it will be archived. Okay, so this many people, that means this 209,000 people already applied or enrolled for this course. So if you want to understand the basics fundamental of cybersecurity, then don't worry, don't waste your time, just enroll here by accessing this site, and then you can actually enroll. And here there is enroll button. If you press this enroll button, then you can enroll this course. So let's check a little bit about this course. So this course has this many things. It is mentioning everything, and this is the introduction to the field of computing security. You will be given an extensive overview of the various branches of computing security. That means cybersecurity related stuff it will teach. Then concepts, issues and tools that are critical to solve problems in computing security domain. Okay, so these are the this is the course details about this course. Basically it is mentioning like this thing, and it is offered by RITX Cybersecurity MicroMasters program. This offered is part of the RITX Cybersecurity Masters program. Okay, and this prepares to enter, and this thing. Okay, I'm not going to I'm not going to express this much detail. We can actually check this in brief. So at a glance, this is from where actually it is coming, this thing. Basically this is the details of that course and level. Although it is showing advanced, but it's a basic course. I don't know why they mentioned level equal to advanced. I have no idea. And the language, this course will be taught by English, and also some other things you can check. Now let's see the syllabus. So here I see there is total 9 units of this course. So course 0, not course 0, unit 0 is getting started. So basically it will have like few things, and then unit 1 and 2. This 2 is actually discussed in this 2 units. It will discuss about cybersecurity concept, basically security concept, not cybersecurity. I think everything will be cybersecurity related. That's why I mentioned security concept. That means cybersecurity concept. And then cryptography, unit 4. Not unit 4, unit 3 and 4 and 5. It has networking related stuff. Then system admin on unit 6. Detection and prevention on 7, 8 malware and forensics, and 9 conclusion. So this is pretty much a good covered course based on the fundamental of cybersecurity. And this is the instructor who will teach this course. I'm not going to discuss about him details, but if you check carefully, this is from Rochester Institute of Technology from this university. Basically this person, he's a principal lecturer, and he will teach. Definitely it will be a good course, I believe. So who can take this course? Basically most of the people around the world, they can take this course, but there is some restriction, like Iran, Cuba, and Crimea region of Ukraine. So these regions people, they cannot actually access this course. Otherwise everybody from anywhere in the world, they can access. And here they mention how they will other part of the world, like some part of the world they cannot access, but other part of the world they can access. Anyway, so this course is part of cybersecurity micro masters program. It is already mentioned, and if you want to know more details, you can go learn more. And let's check the price. I told you at the beginning that it's free course, right? So free, and access to this course material limited, and you have access till March 9 2025. That means you have only a few days remaining to access this course. After that it will be I'm not sure whether it will be accessed or not, but I'm not sure. And then there are a couple of things, and the good thing is that this is actually published by edX. Okay, published by means they are actually providing this type of platform to host this course, and this course is definitely, it will be a good course, right? And here let's come to the certificate. If you want the certificate, then you have to pay $400, and then you can access this course unlimited. But for free course you have only limited offer, right? Like this. So now if you go down, basically there is nothing. So let's see how we can access this course. So this course can be accessed from edX website. You can search by typing this thing, like RITX Cybersecurity Fundamental. You can easily type this thing on Google browser. Google browser means any Chrome browser or Safari browser, anywhere you can go to Google, and then you can search by this term, and you can access this course directly. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video will be a good informational session for you to learn cybersecurity fundamentals, and you can easily access this fundamental course freely. But there is a limited option. That means you can actually access this course till this date. So I will tell you, don't waste time. If you want to enroll, or if you want to learn more about the cybersecurity fundamental, just enroll now, because after a few days it will not be accessed by anybody, or maybe it will be accessed for limited seats or something. I'm not sure, but as this is free, you can actually take the chance to enroll this course, and you can learn the basics of cybersecurity. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video will be helpful. So if you have any question, or if you see by this time when you will see this video that this course is not offering free, don't tell that why I publish this course. This course is free right now. That's why I just give you an introduction about this course, and I just give you the message that you can actually complete this course. It's 8 weeks intensive course where you have to work or study 10 to 12 hours, and this is instructor based course. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video.